Hello everyone. I'm going to change computer name of my iMac on macOS Sonoma. Keep in mind that changing the computer name might affect certain network-related configurations and services. You may need to update any network settings or configurations that rely on the computer's hostname. Additionally, some services or apps might require a reboot to recognize the new name fully. By following these steps, you can easily rename your local hostname on macOS Sonoma. Please follow the steps showing in this video. Go to System Settings. Click on General. Click on Sharing. Scroll down to the end. You will find the local hostname here. Click on Edit. Enter the local admin user and password. Click on Modify Settings. Type the computer or hostname as you required. Click on OK button. You're done. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Goodbye and happy computing.